Yes, guys, we're going out to the motherfucking West Side, guys. Yeah, this is Manchester City Centre today. Yeah, the pizza up. You alright, pal? Guy walking past there. So, loads of people outside, isn't you, guys? Yes, Manchester City Centre. Yeah, mate, look no further. Here we go.
Oh, thanks, pal.
You ain't got a spare cigarette, have you, please?
Just a bit
You got a spare cigarette?
I haven't, sorry.
Oh, wait, thank you. I think you need to buy a new lighter, don't you? So yes, thought he wanted a lighter there, but no. So yes, guys, we're going out to the motherfucking West Side. Hello to me, YouTube. Yes, hi. I'm West Side. Oh, look at these skateboarders there. Woohoo! Feel the pavement, guys. You alright, guys? There's right, come on. Woo! So yes, this tree in the road has been right here, God knows how long. Oh, look at this bird, it's got one leg. Yeah, what leg here? Oh, that's a shame. You alright, birdie? Who's chewed your leg off? Hey? Who's chewed your leg off, bird? This is a pigeon with one leg. Hello. Hi, birdie. Alright, mate. Who's chewed your leg off? Hey? Come on, fly. You alright playing? Hey? Alright. Come on, tell me you chewed your other leg off. You have to bite it off yourself, peck away. Yeah. One-legged pigeon. What a shame. At least you're not in pain, are you, pigeon? You seem like you are. You seem happy as fuck. There's his mate. That your bird? Yeah. Yeah, that your mate there. Save me! I've got one leg. I want your fucking leg, innit? Okay. Pigeon with one leg. Wings alright, Fluey. Oh. He's got one leg. It's gonna be famous, it's gonna be on YouTube later. Aren't you, pigeon? Oh, there's two more over there. Hey. Isn't there? Alright, mate. Come on, a little bit closer. Come on. Alright. Yeah. I know food for you, more dependable. Okay. Got these two of your mates, yeah, they don't give a fuck about you, do they? Eh? No. No, they don't, do they? A pigeon with one leg. Can't beat it, can you? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, pigeon. Fuck you then. This is a tram.